On November 1st, 2024, while on patrol, an Arkansas police officer spotted a woman he believed had an active warrant, leaving a liquor store. She walked into a nearby homeless camp, disappearing into the woods. After confirming the warrant, the officer approached a tent where she was believed to be staying and moved in to serve the warrant. This is how it went down.
Suspect is in custody.
Hey guys, police department. Police department. Susan, is that you sleeping in there? Let's see the hall. She's got what's away.
Yeah, I wonder where the dude went.
Susan, you got anyone in there with you?
You said she didn't have a warrant?
Yeah, she's got a warrant.
For, you know what?
know.
Something? You got anybody else in there with you? Hello? Susan?
What?
Is there anybody else in there with you?
No.
Are you sure about that?
Well, yeah, no, I'm asleep. She's got a warrant if you want to arrest her. She's a pain in the ass.
Alright, Susan, I need you to get out. You got a warrant.
I don't think so.
Was that you just up at the liquor store about 10 minutes ago?
No.
Oh, alright, well, I need you to get out.
No.
Susan,
What?
you gotta get out.
No, I don't.
Yes, you do.
No, I don't.
You got a warrant.
No, I don't.
Susan, what's your date of birth?
I'm not answering you.
How can I verify the warrant if I don't know your date of birth?
I'm not answering you.
All right, well, you have the warrant, so I need you to
No,
get out.
I don't have a warrant.
Says I really don't want to have to go in your tent and to get you out.
I'm not coming out.
Listen, if I have to come in your tent, I don't want to have to destroy your stuff and step all over your stuff. So why don't you just come on out here and make this a little easier? You don't want to do this the easy way?
No.
All right. Well, I'm gonna have to come in and get you. So. Can we do this the easy way, please?
No.
What was it that you didn't pay on? You got one out of Gassville and you got one out of Mountain Home.
No.
Do you know what the charge was that you didn't pay on?
No.
It's not a no. It is. I really don't want to go in there. Like, there's a knife sitting right there. You're gonna pick up another charge if you don't come out here.
Okay.
What else you got in here? You got anything crazy sitting in here?
No.
You got any other knives hiding in here? Well, I appreciate that.
Suze, put your shoes on real quick, okay?
No.
You're gonna walk through the woods in your bare feet?
No.
So that's come in here, you're going to get charged with resisting and all kinds of stuff. It ain't worth it.
Come on, Susan.
What good is all this? Huh?
If you're not putting up a fight now, why wouldn't you just walk out?
Go on. Sit her up. Stand her up.
You know, one arm, we go on the other. Just, I'll light up a path, y'all. Just...
We wouldn't have to do this if you just walk out.
You okay?
Well, it'd be a whole lot easier on your arms if you just get up and walk.
Okay, here we go. You ready?
Come on, Susan.
Get the away from me. No, you destroyed my tent and you destroyed everything that's in it by leaving it open.
All you had to do was come out of the tent, like I asked you.
No, you left my tent open. Everything's gonna be destroyed.
And I asked you to come out.
No, that has nothing to do with you destroying my tent and leaving it open.
We'll get it closed up for you.
44 PD. B15, one female. We held her by her arms and had her feet and had to carry her out. She's not fighting, she's not doing anything like that. She
Susan,
just
what are you doing?
refuses to move on her own.
Why are you acting like this? Why are you acting like this? Come on, let's go. Yeah, I know you can move.
My name's Mason.
And you know you can move too.
Come on. I'm going to treat you good. Please treat us good. Please just act right.
Right there.
Sit your rear end down.
Yep, see, I know you can walk if you can keep your fingers tightened up like
Pretty
that.
strong with your hands.
Oh, you can move. Wow.
She's alive.
Do you want to sit here? Or would you like to sit on the bench?
Well, if she's gonna act like that, she's gonna sit there anyway for a picture. Move on over there.
Susan Hall was arrested and charged with refusal to submit to arrest and warrants. Her bond was set at $2,350. If you enjoyed this video and would like more content, give us a like, feel free to comment, and subscribe for justice.